हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम ऑल ऑफ़ यू इन माय यूट्यूब चैनल रुद्रा स्टडी सर्कल। मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल रुद्रा स्टडी सर्कल में आप लोगों का स्वागत है। इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस लिमिट ऑफ फंक्शन ऑफ टू वेरिएबल। सो एक्चुअली दिस video is mainly for non-existence of the limit using path method. So we see using path method how we can confirm the limit does not exist. The path method did not give any guarantee for existence of limit. This is used only for the discard that limit exists. So if we have function of one variable y equal to f of x, so we know there if you want to find the limit at x equal to 0, so there is only two way to approach, left side and right side, and both limit exist and equal, so we say limit exist. But in the function of two variable, if you take any point a comma b, so there are multiple way to approach this point. We can approach from along the x-axis, along the y-axis, along line y equal to x, along a parabola. So multiple path we have. So here we know if limit exists, the limit should equal to along any path passing through the point. But in the case of single variable, since we have only two possible paths, so we have checked and both are equal, so we claim limit exists. But if you are taking function of two variable, so for approaching this point we have infinite path, so we cannot go and check for infinite path, so we cannot claim using path method limit exists. Then what is the use of this path method? So let me explain. Limit exists, so we can say the limit is same along all the path, all the possible paths. If limit exists, so limit is same along all possible path. Then if limit is if limit value is different along any two path, which imply limit does not exist. So this only we are going to use in this video. Limit value is different along any two path, so we say limit does not exist. I'll take f of x equal to 2xy square by 3x square plus y power 4. So you have to check the limit at the point 0 comma 0. Let us check along the path. So along y-axis, so x equal to 0, so this limit, so limit value will be 2 into 0 y square by y power 4 equal to 0. Okay, along x-axis, so y will be 0, so the limit value will be 0, so 2 into x into y. Now along the line y equal to m of x, mx, the line passing through origin, so we get 2x and y equal to mx whole square by 3x square and m square x power 4, and limit x tends to 0. So this will be 2 mx by 3 plus m square x square, and limit is x tends to 0 means this will be 0. So here limit value is same along x axis, along y axis, and line y equal to mx. So we say limit may exist. Now let us try to check along one more path, y square equal to mx, this parabola, along this parabola. So we have 2x y square equal to mx, fine, plus 3x square plus m square x square. So this will be 2m by 3 plus m square. Here limit extends to 0. So we are getting 2m plus 2m by 3 plus m square. So this is a function of m. So what does this mean? So if you change the m here, if I take the different path, so we are getting different limit. If y square x one limit, y square equal to 2x another limit, y square equal to 3x another limit. So when you changing the path, we are getting different limit. So what we say, what we can conclude, limit does not exist, because we know if limit exists means the limit value will be same along all the path. Since here limit value is depend upon the path, so we can claim limit does not exist. Let us take another example. F of xy equal to x cube y by x power 6 plus y square. So at the point 0 0 you have to check. So what we do, first we check along x axis. So y will be 0, so the limit value will be x cube 0 by x power 6 equal to 0 equal to 0, fine. Along y axis your x will be 0, so this will also 0, limit value is 0, and y equal to mx, so we get x cube mx by x power 6 plus m square x square. So if x tends to 0, so we get 0. So the limit value is same along x axis, y axis, and the line y equal to mx. So we say limit value is same along x axis, y axis, and line y equal to m of x. Now if I take one more path, y equal to mx cube, let us check for this method. So we have x cube and y equal to mx cube divided by x power 6 plus y square means m square x power 6. So this will be m by 1 plus m square. So again this limit is path dependent. So when you change the path, limit value will be same. So we can say limit does not exist of the given function. One more function, f of x equal to x square y square by x power 4 plus 3y power 4. So at the again 0 0 we are finding along the x-axis, so limit is 0, substitute here we get 0. Along y-axis limit is 0. Along the path y equal to m of mx, so we get x square m square x square by x power 4 plus 3 m power 4 x power 4. So this equal to m square by 1 plus m 4. So this limit is path dependent, so we can say limit does not exist. So in this video we have seen how this path method will use for claiming limit does not exist. In the next video we'll see how we show limit exists. Thank you. If you like my video, Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.